Are you a planner, or are you the type of RVer that just wings it on the road? I'm personally a planner, but sometimes plans don't go the way you want them to. And if they do for you, you're either very lucky or you haven't been RVing very long. So let's say a scenario for the planners: you get a flat tire. You're not going to make it to your campground. For you people that wing it, Walmart says no. Cracker Barrel says not enough room for you. And that campsite you're trying to book 20 miles off the road, coming in at night, they say the site's level, big enough to hold your rig. Maybe it can, maybe it can't. Well, I found out something interesting that gives you an option that just might work for you. This is Site 7 here. There's your water hookup, your RV hookup, marine power and lighting. So just by chance, I was in the Brookville, PA area, and I remember a friend telling me that Love's opened up a new truck stop there, and not knowing what to expect or even expecting to see it was an RV accommodating truck stop, I pulled in to take a look. So full disclosure, I have not camped at this or any Love's Travel Stop RV location, but looking at this one, would I give it a shot? Absolutely. And why would I give it a shot? Well, there's a lot of reasons, and these are a few of the reasons I would do it. Number one reason would be it would have to be convenience. I mean, you pull off the interstate, you're there within probably 2 to 5 minutes at the most, I would think. Another reason I would try this area, this stop, you know what you're getting. The site's level, you know you have your full hookups. Number three, probably it's well lit. So if you do have something that, you know, delays your travels and you're coming in at night, you know, if you ever pulled into a campground at night, it's not fun, you know, hooking up, getting backed into your campsite. Another reason I would say is they give you plenty of room to maneuver your rig. So, yeah, those worries are gone. Another reason is they usually have a restaurant opened. This particular Love's has a Wendy's next to it, and the nice thing about it is 24 hours, so if you get in late, you know, you're still in good shape to get something to eat if you need something. Another reason, just off the top of my head, is the pumps. You can pull your rig in there. They accommodated. There's plenty of space there to pull your rig in, so there's no worries. You're not fueling up where the big trucks are, the big rigs. There's no fuel laying on the ground. The handles on the pumps aren't greasy, so, and there's not a tractor trailer sitting behind you, you know, making you nervous because you're at their pump. The reason is it's easy to book. You know, you can pull in, use the kiosk, you can do it ahead of time. This is the check-in kiosk. And there's a call box to help you in case you're having trouble with the kiosk. Gives you a little map of your selection. And that gives you the price at night. Says $42.50 a night. The sites have water. They're full hookup sites. Whatever amperage you need, water and the sewage hookup. So yeah, they're plenty big. They'll accommodate, I would say, any size RV that you have. And the nice thing about this is you're not where the trucks are idling all night long. So yeah, it looks really nice for $42.50. Right next to the interstate. It's probably really convenient, you know, from the hassle of trying to go into some campsite just for a night. So yeah, whoever thought of this did a nice job of planning it out. They must be an RVer at heart or be an RV person, because they certainly gave you plenty of room here to get your rig in and out, and the convenience of it all. I'm Keith from Miles of Smiles RVing, and if you find this video helpful for you, please like it, subscribe, and that bell.